Hey, hello boys and girls. So CMA students, get ready for three very important announcements. Huge announcements, should I say. So what are these three announcements, sir, for the CMA students? Amendments, mission, revisions, and discount offer also. Now some of the students will be saying, sir, we have already availed the classes, but there are other students also who need to avail the classes, and that is why my duty is to inform the students about the discount offer. Okay, so don't get offended because there are various videos. 99% of the YouTube is flooded with my marathons, my YouTube channel, and the other MEPL classes YouTube channel. They are flooded with the quality content for CMA students. But these information are also required to be given to the students so that they can associate with MEPL. So huge discount offer ends on 24th January. As you know, we have been running the carnival offer since last 1 month. Now it has to come to an end. It is coming to an end on 24th of January. Carnival offer is not going to be extended. Mark my words for sure. The offer ends on 24th of January. Now CMA Inter. What do we have in store for you guys? CMA Inter December 22. I'll tell you everything. Just watch the video till very last. It's a short video of 3 minutes. CMA Inter December 22. New live at home batch of all the subjects starts from 1st of February. Trust me, the best quality education you are going to get. Okay. So these classes will be live classes, and along with these live classes, you will be able to access a Google Drive also, Google Drive classes also. And these live classes, if you miss within 24 hours, you are going to get the backup, which you can view unlimited number of times, any number of times till your validity. And right now there is an offer also going on. If you buy for 9 months, you are going to get 3 months extra validity. Similarly, if you buy for 12 months, you are going to get 3 months extra validity. On 9 months and 12 months, 3 months extra validity offer is also there. So CMA Inter December 22, new live at home batch starts from 1st February of all the subjects. CMA Inter June 22, June 22, we have already completed. New recordings are fully ready and available for you guys. So enjoy CMA Inter June 22. So what about live at home batch? We have already completed. Now it's your time to watch it as per your speed for June 22. New recordings are ready and available. Icing on the cake is Law Fast Track batch for CMA Inter is also available, and Pure English batch of Law is also available. ओके ये सब जो बैचेस रहेंगे जो अभी हम लोग स्टार्ट करें दिसंबर 22 का न्यू लाइव एट होम बैच, जून 22 का न्यू रिकॉर्डिंग, हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स है. लेकिन द स्टूडेंट्स हु वांट द लेक्चर्स प्योरली इन इंग्लिश, वी हैव लॉ रेगुलर इंग्लिश बैच आल्सो, especially for the South Indian students. Okay, trust me, you are going to enjoy these lectures. In fact, this law regular English batch, I have covered 80%. 20% is left to be recorded, which is in process. But by the time you are going to watch half of your classes, remaining 20% will also be covered and sent to you. So book it right now. CMA final, if you talk about CMA final, June 22 and December 22, new recordings we have just completed, and new recordings are fully amended and available for you guys. And yes, more live at home batches will start later on, but for June 22 and December 22, you can avail these new recordings which we have shot for 2022 exams. Okay, they are fully ready and available for you guys. CMA Foundation, new live at home batch, we are starting from 7th of February. Now coming to mission of all the subjects. Get ready to witness never before revisions on this platform. So make sure that you are subscribing to all our channels. There are 3 channels for CMA students: Mohit Agarwal MEPL, and CMA exclusive YouTube channel, so that you do not miss out on any of these mission videos which are going to be distributed on 3 different channels, so that it does not load too much traffic on a particular channel. So make sure that you are subscribing all the 3 channels and hitting the bell icon. Why for? To get an amazing quality revision lectures of all the subjects, which will be starting from February 2nd week after results, because your results are going to come max to max by Feb 2nd week. So after results, we'll be starting with the mission of all the subjects. Chapter wise revision will be there. PYQs and scanners will be done. And amendments I'll be uploading in the February 3rd and 4th week. Okay. Do share this video with all. This much I can expect from you guys, to share this video with the entire CMA fraternity, which can benefit the entire CMA fraternity. Thank you. Lots of love. Take care. Bye-bye. God bless you.